Well, would you believe you can buy a bumper for a Toyota 4Runner on Amazon? This just got delivered by FedEx today. We're going to put it on. We had a little bit of a fender bender with our 4Runner limited 2000 model, and so come along as we install this guy. All right, so I got some color matched Duplicolor perfect match for this exact model. I'll put the link below, but hitting this steel bumper and the plastic part, and we're going to do a couple of coats and then assemble it and swap it out. You're probably like me wondering how many of these little cans does it take to do this bumper kit for the 4Runner, and the answer is two. 2 cans, 2 coats, and it seemed to be just about perfect. Comes in 2 shipments. One has the steel bumper, one has the plastic lower bumper. This is the limited edition 4Runner, and it came with the lights, not the fog lights, but the turn signal lights anyway. And sadly, the bumper support that's underneath here was also bent. So one additional Amazon purchase, and we're all set. A couple of cans of color match paint, and here we go. Let's replace this guy. Okay, so the paint's dry on our new bumper components, and we got the old bumper off, and we are ready to start transferring like these fender flares, the lights, and some other things to assemble our new bumper. we've got a 25-year-old car, and we reused a lot of the 25-year-old parts. So this is not perfect, but for the repair, for just over 300 bucks for the Amazon kit, a couple of rattle cans, and we're done. So we reused all the fasteners. The kit doesn't come with any fasteners, so that was all reused. We broke a couple rusty ones, but for the most part, everything is here. And it worked, and it fit, and we're happy. So compared to going to a body shop or even a junkyard to get another bumper, this was a quick and easy fix. We spent about 4 hours between painting and assembling, and then just about half an hour today to finish bolting it on. So happy with this product. We'll put a link below to all of the stuff that we used today. But there you go, new bumper, 4Runner. This is a 2000 4Runner Limited.